What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to put your phone on mute. Right, so if you have your Android phone or your Samsung Galaxy phone and you like to turn down this phone or basically mute it, you can very easily do this by simply swiping down from the top down to your phone, and once you find that volume icon you can simply tap on it. Now once you tap on it guys, you need to tap on it twice. As you can see, it has the sound on, then it goes to vibrate, and if you press it again, once it gets grayed out, it simply means that it is in the mute mode. Right, so this is how you can basically put your phone on mute. Another way you can do it is by pressing the button again, press and hold it, and you will have the sounds on vibration here. And from here you have three options: you have the sound, you have the vibration, and you have the mute. So whichever works best for you, you can simply go ahead and put your phone on mute there, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.